Good morning, first grade. Happy Friday. I hope you are having a great day so far. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. Today, your special is Maker at 11:45, and we will have social studies again today at 10:45. So before we go through the schedule and everything, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So today, coming out first thing will be your math application problem for lesson 14. There will be a wit and wisdom deep dive lesson. There will also be a Kahoot game to practice some of the math that we've been working on. And then there is a fourth thing today, but it is the new fluency passage that goes along with wit and wisdom. So you'll just need to listen to it, and then that will be the passage that if you could try to practice reading, at least once a day, and then you'll record it in about a week. So it's just the new one to listen to. All right, and then we will meet at 10 for our morning class. We will take our spelling test this morning. So as I mentioned, since it was a short week and we did not have school on Monday this week, that's why our spelling test is on Friday this week. So if you could please bring a blank spelling test paper, that would be great. We will also talk a little bit about what are called informative paragraphs, and that will be part of our wit and wisdom reading lesson. So we'll have our 10 a.m. class, and then just like yesterday, we'll take a little break. We'll come back and we'll have social studies and talk a little bit about school, like long ago versus today. And I have some, I think some interesting pictures you'll enjoy seeing of some of the old Avonworth school buildings. So we'll take a look at that today at 10:45. And then we will meet again at 1 for math. So if you could bring your workbooks and a dry erase marker and sleeve, that would be great. You don't need any supplies for social studies today, and you won't need any letters because we won't do word building today. We'll take our spelling test. All right, so here is the puzzle for today. It's the word travel, and then there are several letters written down here below. So we'll see. I'm sure you'll get it because you've been doing such a good job with that. So let me know if you have any questions or need any help, and I will see everybody soon. Bye.